Operating a production facility can be complicated, with a constant need to monitor everything from raw materials through to finished goods. To help address the challenges, production managers look to manufacturing execution systems, or MES, to track their production processes. But often these can be expensive to set up, painful to integrate, and under-deliver on addressing their true needs. Autodesk Prodsmart is different. Prodsmart is a go-anywhere, use-anywhere, cloud-connected MES and light enterprise resource planning system, which capitalizes on the use of web browsers and mobile devices for operation. This minimizes the IT overhead needed to get you up and running sooner and gives you the flexibility to start managing your production data today and adapt to your business as it grows. Focus on what's important, like monitoring your operations through production tracking dashboards and audit-ready quality compliance reports fed by real-time information collected from the shop floor, making it easy to visualize your production efficiency all the way from orders to shipping. Manage your teams, machines, and materials to optimize your production capacity and increase manufacturing throughput with material and resource planning, helping to minimize waste and reduce the environmental impact of your business. With scheduling for preventive or corrective machine maintenance to reduce production downtime. And integrate with upstream or downstream resource planning, customer relationships, and product lifecycle management systems to keep your data synchronized and prevent duplication. So, whether you need to improve your production workflow and execution, cope with change and quality management, or get visibility on throughput and machine maintenance, get your business future ready with Autodesk Prodsmart.